Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Eka Windy Octavia Putri. My NPM number is 720213058.
My name is Selma Karomi. My NPM number 720213114.
Today we will retell the film. The title is
The Social Network.
After agreeing to use the concept of the Cameron and Tiller twins, Mark approached his friend Eduardo Sefrin or Andrew Garfield with the idea of cheating the Facebook, an online social networking site that will be exclusive to students in the LVY League. Eduardo provided $1,000 in the startup capital, which allowed Mark to build a website, and it quickly became popular. When they find out about the Facebook, the twins and Divya are furious, believing that Mark stole the idea when they secretly worked together and developed the Harvard Connection website. They make the complaint to Harvard University President Lawrence Summers or Douglas Urbanski, who is dismissive and sees no disciplinary action nor on the Facebook site itself.
Eduardo and Mark meet fellow student Christy Lee or Brenda Shaw, who asked them to Facebook me and praise that impressed them both. As the Facebook's popularity grew, Mark expanded his network to Yale University, Columbia University, and Stanford University. Christy arranged for Edward and Mark to meet with Napster founder Sean Park or Justin Timberlake, who present at billion-dollar vision for the company Mark is interested in. He also suggests removing the word "the" from the Facebook, simply calling it Facebook. At Sean's suggestion, they moved to Palo Alto, with Eduardo staying in New York to expand his business. After Sean promised to expand Facebook to two continents, Mark invited him to live in the house that Mark used as the company's headquarters.
While competing in Harvard University Henley Royal Regatta against Hollandia Rowing Club, twin Cameron and Tyler learned the Facebook has expanded to Oxford University, Cambridge University, and LSE, and decide to sue the company for intellectual property theft. Meanwhile, Eduardo denounced Sean in making business decisions for Facebook and visits the company's bank account in the dispute. He then relented when Mark revealed that they have secured $500,000 from angel investor Peter Thiel or Wallace Lagam. However, Eduardo was outraged to find that the new investment deal allowed his Facebook stake to dip from 34% to 0.03%, while retaining all other parties' ownership percentage. He argues that Mark and Sean and Eduardo promised to sue Mark for all the company's stock before leaving the building. Then, Eduardo's name was removed as the founder of Facebook. Later, the consent provision incident involving Sean and his attempt to blame Eduardo finally convinced Mark to break it with him.
Throughout the film, the story is twisted with scenes from the deposition taken by twins Cameron and Taylor and Eduardo's lawsuit against Mark and Facebook. The twins claim that Mark stole their idea, while Eduardo claims that his shares in Facebook were not unfairly liquidated when the company was founded. In the end, Marlene Deply or Rashida Jones, a junior attorney, tells Mark that they will stay with Eduardo because the filed details of Facebook funding and Mark's own callous attitude will make Mark very unsympathetic to the jury. After everyone left, Mark sent Erica and friend requests on Facebook and then refreshed the web page every few seconds as he waited for her response.
The films end with the statement that the twins Cameron and the Tyler Winklevoss received a payment of $65 million, signed a secret agreement, and entered a rowing match at the 2008 Beijing Olympic, placing them in the sixth place. Eduardo Severin received a payment for an unknown amount, and his name was returned as the founder of Facebook. The site are more than 500 million members in 2007 countries in the world, $25 billion, and Mark Zuckerberg is the youngest and most famous billionaire in the world.
The conclusion of this film, as a programmer, especially as a founder of social networking giant called Facebook, of course, there are many sacrifices that must be faced. The journey of Mark Zuckerberg, who strives to realize his dream, does not necessarily wake up by itself, but it takes a long process to make it happen, thanks to his effort and hard work. Finally, until now, Facebook has become the largest social networking site in the world with 500 million members in 207 countries, worth $15 billion, and Mark Zuckerberg can be ranked as the richest young person in the world.
The advantage of the film is that this film tells the present tense of the student of the information of using technology at the time. The film is able to be an injection of motivation for those who watch it. In terms of color composition and shooting, this film is quite good.
The disadvantage of this film is that the dialogue between the character is too fast, so that the audience is required to be able to examine the word they mean because the language used is less communicative. In addition, the problems that are displayed and the setting seem monotonous, so that from beginning to end there is no great impression. The ending that seems hanging is also a drawback of this film. We think that's all we can say.
If there is a warm word, please forgive. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.